How to use Acuity scheduling to manage your team and your time. Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use Acuity scheduling for managing your time and also your team. So basically we're going to start by setting up the Acuity scheduling to have members. How we can do that, basically you're going to give a permission to an admin, or let's say you are going to add admins to your Squarespace website. As you know, Acuity scheduling is going to be an affiliation from Squarespace. It is going to be used right here into the acuityscheduling.com to manage maybe something that you're going to have from admins which are going to be existing on Squarespace website. Now we're going to head over the squarespace.com that we have the Acuity scheduling linked up with, because each one of the websites are going to be linked to a specific website on Squarespace. We're going to head over the parameters. On the parameters, we're going to head over the permissions and ownerships. Click on permissions and ownerships. You're going to find the contributors. So basically you can add a contributors right there, and you're going to add it just like that. So a little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video, such as email addresses, phone numbers, and everything that are created in this video that you are going to see is going to be specifically for this tutorial, not for any personal uses. Make sure that you're going to use your own informations. Now, after we have set up or invited our contributors or the admins, we're going to be able to head over the Acuity scheduling and let them explore the appointments that we have. Basically, it is going to be a shared option or a shared screen, so they are going to see and manage your specific space here. Now, the objective of having this method or adding things right there is going to be in the priority of having some management or team management right there. If you're going to add a team into or admins into your Squarespace website, it is going to give you the facilitation of having the team managing your specific arrangement of time. As you can see in my screen, we have the calendar. Each one of the team is going to have something added to their, let's say, work plan or something like that. They can go ahead and respond to the emails or the specific, let's say, setup right there. Now, if you're going to head over the, for example, I don't know here, appointment type, you can go ahead and create a group class. And this group class can manage or can gather all the team together. So you're going to send them a specific meeting through the platform, and you're going to have a meeting right there. So for the time management, it is going to assemble all the team into one place. So you're not going to send either one of them a message saying, hey, I need you to attend this specific event or the meeting that I am organizing, or hey, please, can you have time? It is not going to be working like that, but it is going to give you the complete control of your team and also your time. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.